Hi everyone, welcome back to Cafe Talk Only. Today we are going to learn some powerful vocabulary words with their common synonyms. Also, if you are preparing for IELTS or TOEFL, this video is especially for you. So let's get started.
Disseminate, फैलाना, broadcast, spread. Autonomy, स्वतंत्रता, self-rule, self-governance. Curriculum, पाठ्यक्रम, syllabus, course. Eradicate, मिटाना, abolish, eliminate. Immunization, टीकाकरण, injection, inoculation. Sovereign, संप्रभु, supreme chief. Affluent, संपन्न, opulent, rich. Breed, जाति, class, family. Consequence, परिणाम, outcome, result. Deliberate, जानबूझकर, intentional, willful. Evaporate, गायब हो जाना, disappear, vanish. Fundamental, मूलभूत, basic, essential. Linguistics, भाषाशास्त्र, morphology, phonology, semantics. Parliament, संसद, कांग्रेस, assembly. Culmination, चरम बिंदु, peak, result. Reminiscent, याद दिलाने वाला, nostalgic, evocative. Vulnerable, कमजोर, helpless, susceptible. Overwhelmed, प्रभावित, devastated, astounded. Spontaneous, स्वाभाविक, extempore, natural. Transmit, भेजना, communicate, transfer. Convincing, भरोसेमंद, credible, plausible. Autonomy, स्वायत्तता, independence, sovereignty. Death penalty, मृत्युदंड, capital punishment, death sentence. Erosion, अपरदन, decay, corrosion. Kinetic, गतिज, moving, vibrant. Synthesize, संयोजित करना, combine, arrange. Ally, सहयोगी, partner, associate. Bubble, बुलबुला, droplet, foam. Constant, निरंतर, stable, unchanging. Demonstrate, दिखाना, display, exhibit. Evident, स्पष्ट, obvious, apparent. Genuine, असली, authentic, actual. Innovate, नई सोच लाना, launch, invent. Luxury, ऐश्वर्य, indulgence, gratification. Peasant, किसान, countryman, small farmer. Require, आवश्यकता होना, डिमांड, वारंट, वियर्ड, अजीब, बिजार, ऑड, सरपास, पार करना, एक्सीड, आउटरैंक,